I'm going to show you a 10-minute insurance policy that will make sure that your yeast is alive so that your bread rises perfectly every single time. So first things first, what kind of yeast should you buy? So when you go to the baking aisle, you'll see all kinds of yeast. Instant yeast is ready to go. You just throw it in with your dry and wet ingredients and, you've got yourself a loaf. But active dry yeast has granules that have a shell over them that keeps the yeast asleep. And how we wake it up is by activating it or blooming it. So to wake up your active dry yeast, you can use water or milk and a teaspoon of sugar. And you can also use maple syrup or honey as substitutes. Sugar is what the yeast will eat to get moving. When it comes to the liquid, you want your liquid between 105 degrees Fahrenheit and 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Anything higher than that will kill your yeast. And if you don't have a thermometer, you can do a wrist test where you run water over the back of your wrist, or you can poke a clean finger in the water and the water should feel lukewarm, like bath water. Add your yeast. Look at that. That looks really awesome, doesn't it? It's alive. So you're looking for a thick and creamy foam to form on top of the water. And if you see that, it's alive. Also, if it smells earthy and bready, you're good to go. If you don't see any of this, just toss the whole thing. So typically I wait for 10 minutes for the yeast to bloom. But if you're dealing with old yeast or you're dealing with yeast that has expired, just wait for about 20 minutes. Your yeast may just be a slow riser. If you want to save money when it comes to yeast, I recommend you buying a bulk bag of yeast. And once you get the bulk bag, just open the package and then pour it in a mason jar and put it in the freezer. Also, you can transfer these packets into a mason jar and then place them in the fridge or freezer. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel, and also check out this next video.